in one of my previous MIT videos, we were over there at the Empire Garden, which was a Oriental store. Right now, and in that video, I said that we would visit the restaurant across the street, Penang Malaysian Cuisine. So here we are at the restaurant next to Anisa and company. Hizami couldn't come because he was a bit busy. But maybe in the future, we'll be able to take him along. And he'll be able to enjoy Penang. This place is pretty popular. We don't want to show any faces, so we're just going to pan around just a bit quickly so you can see just how many people are here. Yeah, you can't show too much.
We can buy few meals and then we share,
Anisa, you were right when you said expensive. I should just get a rice dish. Nasi lemak. They got beef rendang. So they got a few things that are familiar on the menu. Some of the things that we might want, like they got roti canai, basically just Indian pancake. Oh, they got satay here. Actually, we should get that. They got they got tom yum. They have rendang, curry, awesome fish. That's not really specific for us. Let's see. Beef rendang, nasi lemak, mee goreng, asam laksa. Let's see. They got a few fish dishes here. Oh, they even have lobster. That's pretty cool. No way. Why would you get nasi? They even have drinks. So they have like Malaysian iced coffee, Malaysian iced tea, rambutan drink, lychee. Pretty good. These are not for us. Maybe a soda, but like the rest of these aren't. And then dessert. So a few of these are familiar. We got ABC and ABC for ice cream. I don't know how to describe it. They have something called Ubor Cha-Cha, which I didn't know what the name of it was, but we passed a restaurant that was named Ubor Cha-Cha, and I asked my mom, what is that? And she said it's like some sort of Malaysian dessert, which is, it's like a soup, but it's a dessert. So I don't know what it's like, maybe we'll order it. They got mango sticky rice, but that's a pretty comprehensive menu, and it's a lot of familiar dishes that my mom probably knows. Alright, so the food was good. Sorry we couldn't take many clips of it. We were hungry and we just wanted to eat all of it. It's like 6 o'clock right now. And we did a lot of walking to MIT and at Northeastern. And it was a long drive, so we just wanted to dive into the food. The portion sizes were good. The food tasted good. It was definitely Malaysian, from what we could tell. And I think right now we're going to go to the Oriental store. It's not actually Empire Garden, it's Jaho supermarket, not the restaurant right next to it. Alright, so now it's the end of the trip. We're walking back to the car. Right now, Fikri and Anisa are getting bubble tea. And maybe next time we'll bring Zami along for a ride. So for now, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like our account, subscribe, look at other videos on EyeOnAiman. Stay tuned for more videos on MIT. Maybe we'll explore more of the campus in the future. And maybe we'll do a video on Northeastern. We'll see. But for now, I guess that's it. Signing out. Peace. I was gonna cross.
Cik menong je. Tak dapat cerita.